Are you fed up with gazing up at a dull, cracked ceiling that has lost its charm? Do you yearn for a fresh, smooth surface that will modernize your living space? Look no further. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Baba Kiesu, your storyteller from Ibadan, Nigeria. Today, I will guide you through the meticulous process of plastering your ceiling with Plaster of Paris or P.O.P, transforming it into a stunning masterpiece. Imagine the immense satisfaction of achieving a flawlessly plastered ceiling where every imperfection is expertly concealed. Picture yourself basking in the glory of your newly transformed room, infused with a sense of innovation and sophistication that is sure to leave a lasting impression on family and friends. To embark on this exciting journey, you will need to gather a few essential tools and materials. Do not worry, I will provide you with a comprehensive list to ensure you have everything at hand, from P.O.P powder and binding wire to fillers, cooking oil, bathing soap, yes, bathing soap, and a flat board. Every item plays a crucial role in achieving a seamless finish. The process begins with preparing the P.O.P mixture. Pour water in a clean basin and gradually sprinkle the P.O.P powder, allowing it to absorb the liquid. Wait a few minutes for the mixture to thicken. Then mix it thoroughly until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. It is essential to mix the P.O.P powder and water in the right proportions to achieve the right and perfect consistency. Next, mix the bathing soap and cooking oil together in a small bowl of water. Apply this mixture to the flat board, ensuring it's evenly coated. This clever trick will enable you to effortlessly remove the P.O.P mixture once it dries. The bathing soap and cooking oil mixture helps to prevent the P.O.P from sticking to the flat board, making the removal process much easier. Pour the P.O.P mixture onto the greased flat board, spreading it evenly to achieve a uniform thickness. Add reinforcement with fillers, gradually placing them to create a robust structure. The fillers must be untangled one by one to remove any unwanted particles and knots before mixing with the P.O.P mixture. This process takes time, but it is essential to ensure the fillers fuse with the P.O.P for added strength. Make sure to spread the P.O.P mixture evenly to avoid any air pockets or unevenness. Wait patiently for the P.O.P mixture to dry completely at room temperature. This may take a while depending on the humidity and temperature. It is essential to let the P.O.P mixture dry completely to ensure it reaches its full strength and durability. Once dry, carefully remove the plaster from the flat board, taking care not to damage the delicate structure. Store the P.O.P slabs in a safe location until you are ready to mount them on the ceiling. With your P.O.P slabs ready, it is time to unleash your creativity. Before we proceed, let us take a break and recharge. After all, a hungry craftsman is a grumpy one. Now that we are refreshed, let us create a few scaffolds with wood to enable us reach the ceiling. With our scaffolds in place, we can start exploring various ceiling designs from sleek and modern to intricate and elaborate. Use a trowel to achieve a smooth, even finish and small plastic pipes to hold up the P.O.P slabs in place. Make sure to apply even pressure to avoid any air pockets or unevenness. Use a level to ensure the P.O.P slabs are perfectly aligned and straight. Now that your P.O.P ceiling is finished, it is time to give it a flawless coat of paint, carefully selecting a color that complements your space and sets the desired mood. With high quality paint, you will enjoy good coverage and durability, ensuring your ceiling remains a stunning focal point for years to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you have enjoyed this step-by-step guide to creating a stunning P.O.P ceiling. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials and do-it-yourself projects. My name is Baba Kesu, your storyteller from Ibadan. See you in the next video.